A few months ago, in early May 2024, I put in an order for the DJI Focus Pro Creator Combo because it looks like a truly fantastic product, and I already use an RS3 Pro gimbal, so there's already compatibility there on and off gimbal to give manual lenses autofocus. Great. So the order went through and it said the items on back order and it's expected end of June. No problem. 2 months go by. I don't hear anything. So I get back in touch with the DJI retail store, which by the way is not the same as the DJI store. They're entirely separate entities. And anyway, I asked for an update and they say there's been further delays, but not because of back orders, but because there was a recall. This sparks my interest. As someone who creates content to inform and share experience with people who might be about to sink 800 quid into this bit of kit, I asked for more information. They said, unfortunately, we've been informed that DJI have had to halt production with immediate effect due to a fault identified in one of the components of the grip. Please be aware that this issue has resulted in a global shortage of this critical component while our supplier DJI investigates the root cause of the problem. We're in close communication with DJI and will provide updates as soon as more information becomes available. Now, the reason I'm making this video is that this information doesn't exist. I've poured through review after review, farm after farm, and not one person has mentioned this recall due to a faulty part in the grip. So I cancelled my order. Now, don't get me wrong, I'll be placing my order again as soon as it comes back into stock, because I do still think this is an incredible piece of kit, which will breathe new life into older cameras and lenses for self-shooters, for solo shooters, or even just productions where a focus puller isn't an option and the operator doesn't want to be pulling focus manually. And I look forward to making my review where I can gush over how I can gift an anamorphic lens with the power of autofocus, but until then, I wanted to share this information about the Focus Pro in case anyone is weighing up whether it's a piece of kit they want to invest a lot of money in or not, or worse, if somebody's already got the Creator Combo and is now finding themselves facing the fault in the grip that was mentioned. This information shouldn't be brushed under the rug, and it feels like it has been here. Now, I'm a big fan of DJI. I've been using and promoting their products for years, and I will continue to do so, but I'm also a big fan of impartiality and honesty, and so it's important for me and the integrity of this channel that I not sit on this. It needed to be shared. Do let me know down below if you've come across anything like this, or if your order had the same kind of delay where you were given the same excuse or the same reason. It's not an excuse necessarily, but a reason, because this is truly not spoken about anywhere, and it should be if it's an issue with the hardware. Anyway, that's it from me. See you in the next one.